And we had this wonderful event here today, the Great Commission Artists, a newly formed group over the past year or so. And it's a group of artists that have gathered to paint and to use their God-given talents to bring the Word to life for others. And that's what my hope is as I share my artistic gift, is to inspire faith in people as they see the story come to life before their eyes in new and exciting ways.
I'm out here with Great Commission Artists with a plein air group. That means we're painting outside.
The first session, we just enjoyed watching him paint, and he showed us different techniques with wet on wet, and the wet on dry, and the dry on dry.
And be still, and know, recognize, and understand that I am God. I cannot reach it. Where can I go from your spirit? Or where can I flee from your presence? If I ascend up,
I really go away with a sense of just a real connection between worship and art, and music and art, and the way it can minister to us.
I've just been awed by the different gifts and talents that he's given to each artist.
I thought today was absolutely the most inspirational event that I've been to for a long time. I have worked as an art teacher for decades, and these events fill me back up so that I can give back out. Spiritually, it was enlightening, and artistically, really great instruction